Good morning, gagawa tayo ng macaron. So, meron tayong egg, meron tayong panglagayan dyan, at merong condensed milk at coconut created. So, gagawa tayo ng macarons. Here we come. So, ayan, nilagyan na natin siya ng itlog. Mix together. And next natin is we're gonna put condensed milk. Huwag nyo palang kalimutan maglagay ng 1 stick of butter. Mix together. Next, condensed milk. Next, mag-prepare tayo ng paglalagyan. So,